Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to mention someone on Instagram story, and now let's dive right in. Now to mention someone on Instagram story, first open up your Instagram app, and after that you'll be required to make a story. I'll be just taking a picture of my keyboard over here. So guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see your story option available for us. Tap on that, and over here you will be able to upload your stories also, but as I said, I'll be just taking a picture of my keyboard. And from over here, in order to mention someone, guys, at the top of the screen you can see a bunch of items. Either you can tap on the stickers icon, and this menu will appear where you can see the mention option available for us, or the mention sticker option available for us. Tap on that mention sticker and you will be able to mention anyone. Just type in their name over here, the person or the name of the account of that person whom you want to mention, and they will be available over here, all of your friends. And the recommendation, you can mention someone from over here. And another way is you can tap on the text icon which says the double A at the top of the screen. Tap on it and you can see the mention option available for us at the left side of the screen, just above the keyboard. Tap on the mention and you will be able to write the name of the person whom you want to mention over here. And after that, again, you can see the option or that friend has been available on the list of Instagram. And guys, this is how to mention someone on Instagram story. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.